Hey guys, others Kumar this side. And guys, are you getting bored during this lockdown period, or are you have a tension for your business which is going totally stuck in this lockdown and you are not able to do your work? And if you have a question or tension about how you recover your business after this lockdown period, so guys, if you have these type of questions in your mind, so this video is for you, because in this video I am going to share with you 6 things which you can do in this video in this period or lockdown, and you get the results and recover your business after this lockdown period, or when all situations are getting become normal. So guys, without taking much more time, let's start the video. So hey guys, welcome back. As I told you in intro, I am Adarsh Mandal, a Facebook marketing expert, and in this video I am going to share with you 6 things which you can do in this lockdown period for your business, and which make your business at next level after this lockdown. So let's start. My first tip is for you that shift your business online, and this tip is for especially for those businesses which are in teaching or consulting sector. Suppose you are a tutor or you are a business consultant, then it is possible for you to shift your business online, because and there is a lot of advantage to shifting business online. Suppose if your business is shifted on online, then you are able to approach whole world for your business. And second thing, there is a not any kind of natural disaster or national problems are affect your business. Suppose as we see the situation which is known as coronavirus, and it's make all the country stuck, and whole country have to stay in their houses, and all businesses are get stopped. But guys, those people whose business are online, they are still working and still earning revenue. So that's how online businesses are much profitable. So this is the time to shift your business online. So let's move ahead. My second point is developing a business website. Yes guys, suppose if you have a saloon or you have a beauty parlor type business, then what you do that, develop your business website, and in this lockdown period you have a lot of time. You are develop your whole business website by using WordPress, which is too easy. You don't need any type of developer. Okay, and this website is giving you a huge advantage after this lockdown period, because guys, we all know that in this era, anything we want, we just search on Google. Suppose if I want a beauty parlor, then I easily search on Google beauty parlor near me, saloon near me, bakery near me. Understand? So that's how it is going to help you, and it's make your business on internet, which means your business is presence globally. So that's why developing business is important, and you should do during this time period. Let's move ahead. My third tips is social media presence. And guys, this is for all type of businesses. No matter you are in teaching sector, you have an online offline shop, you have to develop a business, a social media presence of your business there, guys, because we all know that there is almost whole world are on social media. Facebook have more than 5 billion downloads. Insta have more than 4 billion downloads. only on Play Store, and I'm not calculating its website traffic also. Understand that how much people are on it on this social media site. Then why not you are going to approach your customer through your social media? Social media is the biggest weapon in today's era, and it's give you a lot of sales during this. Okay, and we all know that it's important. Much lot of people from you are know that it's important, but they have not time. But now this time is have you have a time, you have an energy, so you do that for the business. And after this lockdown period, your business, you automatically see that you getting more business from these things. Let's move ahead. I hope you understand. If you do all three things which I told you above, then you have to do this fourth thing. Build a sales funnel. Guys, because in online business, if you want to generate business from online, you have to a sales funnel. If you don't know, I will. If you want to understand sales funnel in deeply, then comment in this video, and if I getting more comments, I will make a video on this, on sales funnel. So anyway, build a sales funnel is very important, because sales funnel is just like a process which convert your ideal audience to your buyer customer. And if you want to getting sales from online, then you have to do it. Yeah, come on, understand this funnel theory. And I can repeat, if you want to understand sales funnel in deeply, comment below, I will make a video on it. So let's move ahead. Cold audience pitching. Guys, if you do all four things which I told you above, then this is the time to pitch your cold audience. Those people who don't know cold audience, let me tell you, cold audience are those people who are your target customer, but they don't know about you. These people are your cold audience, and this is the best time to pitch your cold audience through different type of internet platform. Suppose social media or YouTube, through your blogs or website. You can pitch them, you can adding value in their life. So after this, you have a very big quantity of warm audience. Okay, so pitch your cold audience, because you have a time. You do all four things which I do it, which I said before. So let's move ahead from my last tips. And my last tip is reading ebooks and blog related to your business. I especially mentioned their ebooks, because due to this lockdown, you are not able to purchase traditional books or physical books. That's why I recommend you read ebooks. There is a site named PDF Drive where you got all kind of books in form of ebook. So guys, understand that when you reading ebooks or blogs related to your business, and in these books or blogs, what thing are in these books, in this thing, there is a case studies of different businesses which are already in top notch positions in your sector. So by reading their case studies, you will able to understand their mistakes and their things which they can do for their business to to make to make their business at that position. So you are also getting different kind of strategies from these things. Are you hope understand that doing these things, you got two advantage. First, you automatically know the all kind of mistake which you will do. Then you are automatically to regret it. And second thing is you getting different kind of strategies for your business, for your marketing, for your sales, and so many things. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you think that this video is really is valuable for you, please like it, share it. And I again repeat, if you want to understand this sales funnel, comment below, and do not forget to subscribe and follow my channel. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.